Hi, Dusty here. Let me tell you why Mike's Got Plumbing is the only call you need to make. We specialize in plumbing, irrigation, gas, and septic. No job is too big or too small, whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or new commercial construction. If water runs through it, we do it. Mike's Got Plumbing. We'll see you on the next job. Hi, I'm Dusty with Mike's Got Plumbing. How are you?
Hi, Dusty. Thank you for coming so quickly.
How do you do?
What seems to be the problem?
Well, my husband, he was working on our kitchen faucet last night, and now I've got a bigger problem today.
Well, let's go check it out.
Honey, while you check that out, I'm gonna go mow the lawn.
Okay, honey, thanks a lot. Come on in.
Awesome. Ma'am, you're all set.
I am. That's great, Dusty. I really appreciate it. You're a lifesaver.
My pleasure.
Honey, you're gonna have to call somebody. I broke the sprinkler head.
Not again.
No problem. We got you covered. Looks like you're all set, my man.
Thanks, Dusty. I didn't realize you did irrigation also.
Anytime. Let us know if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you again.
So like I was saying, our plumbing department specializes in water heaters, toilets, whole house repipes, and no overtime charges, whether it's nights, weekends, or even holidays. And don't forget, our irrigation department offers repairs, installation, contracts, and free estimates. Mike's Got Plumbing is the only call you need to make. We keep the green on your lawn so you can keep the green in your wallet. Let me show you why we are the only call that you need to make. Alright, looks like you're all set, boss.
Oh, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. And I appreciate you getting out here so fast. I know gas is really serious, so.
My pleasure.
I will say, though, in the past couple days, I've noticed a different type of smell coming from out front. I think I may have another problem.
When was the last time you had your septic pumped?
Probably about 7 or 8 years.
That's okay. We take care of that as well. Straight time, anytime, all the time. We know how busy you are, so we'll be there when it's convenient for you. And remember, no overtime charges. Since 1987, Mike's Got Plumbing has been satisfying residential, commercial, and industrial customers with quality plumbing services. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We also create our own bottled water with custom labels through MSP H2O bottled water. We pride ourselves in knowing that we are providing our clients with reasonable rates and experienced technicians capable of handling all stages of plumbing. Mike's Got Plumbing. If water runs through it, we do it.